bunionectomy and I had hammer toe surgery, and I was having a lot of discomfort with this, wearing my shoes and being active in sports, and so I decided I would look into getting the bunionectomy to correct that problem. I learned about Dr. Nagler through my fiance. His boys went to Dr. Nagler when they were kids, about 15 years ago, and he is friends with the doctor. They're both doctors, and so then when I started having this bunion problem, I started talking to him about needing someone to help me with this, and he started talking about Dr. Nagler, and his business partner's wife had the bunionectomy. Dr. Nagler performed that as well. And I talked with her and I saw how her foot looked afterwards. It looked just great. Beautiful closure on the sutures, hardly any hairline closure. This is all you see. It looks so nice and smooth. And my daughter too was having a problem with the bunion. And so then she elected to have the surgery before I did. So I kind of went through the procedure step by step, taking my daughter to her appointments and helping take care of her. So I knew what I was going to be looking towards when I got my bunionectomy. And again, I was so impressed with the way the staff took care of her, with the procedure, with the outcome. And she said now, actually I talked with her today, and she said, you know, Mom, not only did that correct my bunion, but it corrected my sciatic problems and my injured knee problems, because she was, compensating by putting the weight on other areas and getting problems. So I was convinced, and that's why I got the surgery with Dr. Nagler. Yes, the staff was very helpful, very courteous. I have found that if you need to come in or you have a question, you call. They're there for you. Ahead of time, I knew what medications would work for me and not work for me in pain management. The staff and the doctor were right on about that. I actually had some problems in trying to get the proper medication through my drugstore, and they were able to help me get through that again. It wasn't a normal type of thing that happened, and we worked through the problem, and I got it immediately. Of course I needed it, and they were there for me. I would highly recommend Dr. Nagler. He's awesome. I love his bedside manner. He is a gentle person, a great doctor, good procedure, went well, and the closure on the sutures is very important. Maybe more for female, because we like to show our feet in sandals and stuff like that. Now I can wear my sandals and be proud.